Hello guys, we are in a town called the Vang Vieng here in Laos. It's a beautiful town with amazing surroundings and landscape. We have an action-packed day today. The plan is to do some ziplining, go on a kayak, explore a cave and more stuff. Join us on this amazing adventure. Let's go. We are in a difficult situation now. We booked a tour with 3 different activities: a cave tour, zipline and kayak. And this tour operator, they have like a lot of different tour options. You can combine full day, half day, and choose various options. And it's very chaotic, everything they do. They pick up all of the people, you know, from various hotels, and that took a long time. And then they distribute the people to trucks. We were then put on the wrong truck, which means we have been sitting now in a wrong truck for 1 hour and 50 minutes, even more. Let me check. Yeah, slightly more, almost 2 hours now, doing nothing on a 4-hour trip. And I told the driver we just want to get a refund. I don't want to pay $50 for doing nothing and sitting in a truck. The driver called the supervisor and I talked to him. At the start he only wanted to give me $5 refund, but I told him I will call the police if he decides not to refund me, because I'm not paying for sitting in a truck. And he said if I want a refund, a full refund, I need to get myself back from this place where we are now. And we are about 8 kilometers from the town in the middle of nowhere. But luckily we found a tuk-tuk to take us back. We paid another tuk-tuk driver to take us back. Of course, he overcharged us. He saw we were in some trouble, but at least we are back. And I think the plan now is just to rent a scooter and do some of the activities ourselves. That was actually the plan in the afternoon, because this was only a half-day tour. But now we just do it a little bit earlier than planned. Whoa! 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 Very good, yeah. Now we're just on the way back to the hotel. Gonna get something to drink and prepare to rent a scooter. Yeah, things like this happen when you're traveling, but it is important not to let it affect your day. I am still a little bit irritated, but I will recover. This is our little dog friend. I already got permission from the owner yesterday to pet him, so he is okay, I know that. Sigga is practicing now on the scooter because we are going on a very exciting journey in a few days, so she needs to practice. She's going a few rounds back and forth, doing really well so far. Oh my God, there are so many flies here. Look at Sigga. And this is an important practice for her before our trip. Whoa! How was it? Scary? You did well. Are you proud of yourself?
Yes. I went 25.
25. You think you're ready for our scooter trip?
Maybe.
Maybe. At least you're better than before. A small practice. While we want to catch the sunset, I'm gonna fly the drone some more and yeah, leave these flies behind. They're extremely annoying. We have been driving the scooter all around and now it's time to do a short hike. We want to enjoy the sunset and therefore we're gonna hike up to this cliff here. The guys here say it takes only 15 minutes. Let's hope so. And let's hope the sunset will be beautiful. Start up for Horkham Hill. So this one is called Horkham Hill. There's another one called, I think, Nam Chai or something like that. And that's where most of the people go. Seems to be a little bit of climbing, but nothing serious, at least so far. I saw one guy coming down and he was so sweaty, you might think he was running a marathon. So let's see how I will be after this. Sigga, what do you think?
It's okay.
It's okay? Yeah. We're already quite high. It must have taken some time to make this path. Whoa. So there are two options. You can either go to the airplane or to the flying unicorn. I think we will go to the airplane. Airplane. At least we're on the right way. Almost there. And the sun is shining. Some people flying a drone here. But I think those people are the only ones besides us. Cool path. Look at this view. Almost there. You can see the airplane. Wow. I just flew the drone from the airplane. Not the best place to be if you're afraid of heights. But the view is simply stunning. Siga, ready to go down? And I hope the drone shots are good. Let's see. But it's time to head back down before it gets dark. So what I can tell you is I will definitely recommend going up here. We were only here with 2 people, and as soon as we were up, they had finished using their drone. So I got a lot of time to fly a little bit. But if you're afraid of heights, like me, yeah, it's not ideal. And maybe I shouldn't be vlogging. It's better maybe to concentrate on the next step instead of what I'm shooting with the camera. And the guy at the parking lot, he was correct. He told us 15 minutes, and that's very accurate. Even though it looks to be more when you're standing down there and looking up. Okay, we are down, and now we just need to drive back to the hotel. Siga, was it worth going up there?
Maybe.
Maybe. Yeah, Siga is a little bit afraid of heights, so this was not the best hike option for her. Look how high it is. I mean, it's so steep up there. Like half a minute ago, I was driving on this road and I saw something on the road, like a black line, and I almost drove over it. and then it moved quickly, and I saw it was a snake. Wow, I was so scared. I don't know if it was venomous or not, but holy moly, that was something. We found a nice pizza place on the way back. We are back to the hotel after a delicious pizza. What a fantastic day after all. After the problems we had in the morning, it turned out to be great. I want to thank you for watching. And if you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next adventure.